Assalamualaikum. And hello YouTubers. Today's DIY project. We will servicing hair trimmer machine. Even though I know this machine is not very expensive, it has become my habit for me to take good care of my item. It's not so hard to done this DIY project. Maybe some people have never opened a hair trimmer machine before. This is what I did. And it's worked for me very well. Open the two screws that hold this metal plate. Behind this metal plate, there is one more cutting plate, and behind it there is one coil spring. This square black plastic casing only uses latch. Pull it out slowly. These are the last two screws before we can open this machine. It still looks clean. This is because I often service this machine. Pull this black casing up. Pull out the silver lining around the body of this machine. Everything is still in perfect condition. Time to install all the item back. All items, if we take a good care and maintenance, will last a long time. Congratulations! You just services your hair trimmer machines. Use this information at your own risk. Any injury, damage, or loss that may result from improper use of any tools and equipment, or from the information contained in this video, the user must take responsibility. If you think this video helpful for you, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. May the force be with you. Pro to DIY.